Yo, what's good, man? It's Malik back with another video, man. And today's video is going to be about the honest truth about entrepreneurship and just being a man entrepreneur, honestly, young entrepreneur. You're going to be alone 99% of the time. And, I'm just going to be honest, dude. Like, sometimes it does suck. It is what it is, though, man. You're going to be alone, like, a lot, because you are on a different path than everyone else. Everyone else, if you're like the age of 14 to, let's say, 20, 28, you're going to be by yourself on this journey because you got to realize everyone else is taking a different path right now. You got to think about it. You got your friends, they're going to college. You got people going to school, paying for school. You got people going to trade school. You got people starting businesses. You got people just not even doing anything. So you got to realize, like, you're going to be alone because not a lot of people are choosing to start a business from scratch and build it up. And that takes a long time. It's not going to be quick. It's not going to be a quick process. So I'm just letting you guys know, like, bro, you're gonna be alone a lot of the time, and it's okay because you gotta use that time to get better, to learn yourself, to learn new things, to lock in on that gym, lock in on yourself, get yourself better. And this is something that I'm going through. That's why we're making this video, because we gotta appreciate being alone so that we can get ourselves better, so that when God blesses us with great company of other people, we add value because we've added so much value to ourselves while we were in that hyperbolic time chamber, charging up, getting better, you know what I'm saying? So that now, once God blesses us with great friends, we're actually to be able to provide value to each other. And it's a valuable relationship because we both add value. That's what relationships are meant for. Can we both add value to each other's life? If we cannot do that, what is the point of us being friends? Because if it's just me always helping you always just helping me, it's one-sided. It's supposed to be a two-way street. You help me, I help you. And at the end of the day, that's what it's about, breaking bread with each other. You want to break bread with each other, but you got to choose high-quality people to break bread with, and that's the hard part, finding high-quality people. And how do you find these people? First, you got to become high quality. How do you become high quality? Doing all the things I listed earlier. I'm still on this process of becoming high quality because I am alone a lot of the times. I do have my tribe. I do have my close friends that I could call on, that I hang out with when the time comes. But a lot of the time I'm alone by myself. And, I try not to get distracted and, hang out with girls and do stuff like that. But I'm not perfect. I'm not going to sit here and make it seem like I am. Sometimes, I do get a little distracted, but we have to stay focused at the end of the day and remember what the end goal is, fellas and ladies. I'm 20 years old. My goal, I want to be a multi-millionaire by 30. So I want to have at least like 10 M's in my portfolio by 30 years old. And how I plan to get there is by saving 10 bands every year, 10 to 5 bands every year, and investing in it. So starting off with $100 a week. So that's really been the play, man. And you're gonna be alone a lot of the time, because to get us where we want to go, not everyone wants to go there. And how we gonna get there is by being alone, working on ourselves, focusing on ourselves, getting better, working in on our business. And then eventually you're going to attract those people. And then the best thing about it is, once you've been working on yourself for so long and working on your business and you got a little bit of money, you can actually pay to get friends. So like how I'd be telling y'all to get those mentorships and networks and stuff, go to these conferences. Those are the people paid to get there too. So now you're meeting high quality friends, because anyone who's paying to go to an event is the type of person that you want to be friends with. Example, I went to a Grant Cardone event, $1,000 to get in the room. And there's a ticket all the way up to $25,000. I want to befriend the people all around me because everyone paid to get in. You can't, it's not a free event. So anyone who's paying to go to an event on how to 10x your business is someone I want to be friends with. And that's the importance of getting outside. But you only can do these things when you have money. And if you don't have money, what do you need to do? You need to stay your ass inside and work on yourself so that you can eventually pop out. And when you do pop out, you have something of substance. You have something of value. You've built something. So now when you're meeting these people, you can actually provide value. Hey, my name is Malik from Lost Hearts. I have a brand. We have stores in Memphis. It's all about getting kids back outside and off their phones. You know, we've been able to sell over 20,000 products, generate half an M. I'm looking to get into real estate. I'm in stocks, I'm in real estate, I'm in crypto. I'm looking to, you know, buy businesses, sell businesses. What's good? You know what I'm saying? I have something to bring to the table. I have a sales background. If you need closing, how can I? This is a cheat code. If you go to an event and you say, how can I make you money for free? That's an instant way to become someone's friend. I'm not even gonna lie to you. If you can make someone money for free, they will befriend you easily. This is a play, bro. If you find someone who's way more successful than you, tell them, bro, I will make you money for free. I will make you so much money if you bring me on your team. I'll work for free. That's an immediate way to get in close with them. Now that's gonna sell it. Now you actually gotta perform. Now you actually gotta get him some money, and you do that, bro, he gonna love you forever. Anyone who makes you money, you wanna keep them around. And if they're highly successful and you're making them money and they keep you around, eventually you're going to be highly successful because now you're picking up on these highly successful people's habits, and now you're being around them. You're seeing how they run their business. You're seeing how they run their operation, their enterprise, and now you're able to take that stuff and take it to your own business. And I've literally done this multiple times, and it's changed the way I think about my business because I see how multimillionaires run their business, and I'm like, damn, I can see why they have a big ass operation because look at how they're running their shit. And then you go over and look at your business and how you're running it. You're like, bro, I'm not doing half the things that these guys are doing. And that's exactly why they're at where they're at and you're at where you're at. And it's a cheat code, bro. Because you're able to go 10 times faster because you're actually able to see what a successful enterprise is ran like. You're able to see what a successful business looks like because you're working within one. And this is so important, guys. There's nothing wrong with working for somebody, especially if it's someone who is doing what you want to do. There's nothing wrong with that. Be a student. Be a damn apprentice. Like, I worked for people multiple times, and I was getting paid good money, but I wasn't really worried about the money. I worked the job because of the experience I was going to get and the relationships I was going to get out the people. It's not always about the money. That's a problem with us. We think too much about the damn money, not about the connections, the relationships, the knowledge, the information that you're getting out of the damn job. You so worried about the paycheck. I'm worried about the experience, the relationship I'm building with the people, the learning I'm doing, the systems. I'm taking all this in because I know it's valuable, and the skill that I'm learning here, I can bring it into any other business I get into. So I'm not too worried about who's a quarterback. As long as we win in the game, I'm cool. I can be the quarterback. Right now I'm the quarterback for my team, but I don't mind being the receiver. I don't mind being the running back. I don't have to be calling the plays all the time. I'm cool. All right, this the route I need to run. All right, say less. I got you, bro. As long as we gonna win this game, let's get it. You got to learn how to play your role. Not too many people know how to play their role anymore. Everyone wants to be a quarterback. Not everyone is meant to be a quarterback, bro. We need linemen. We need running backs. We need receivers. We need the whole defense. We need punt team. We need a kicker. Not everyone can be the quarterback. Not everyone can be the starter. All right, we need people on the bench too. And that's a key thing about business, man. Not everyone can be the quarterback, and that's okay. We need other people. We need sales reps. We need customer service. We need all these other things. It's very important too. So don't think you need to be the quarterback. You don't need to be the CEO. Being a CEO is actually very hard. There's other things that you can do and still be successful. 3 out of every 4 millionaires work for somebody else. Think about that. You see 4 millionaires, 3 of them work a job, 1 of them own a business. So you don't have to have your own business to become rich. You can work for somebody else. If you want to work for me, we can run it up. Like, it does not matter, man. So get that mentality out your head, man. It does not matter. Now, if you're working for like McDonald's, you're working for like Chick-fil-A, of course, no, that's different. But if you're working for like a brand, if you're working for like a startup business, a small business that has potential and you can see the growth, man, stay down. Because look, people who stayed down with that boy Jeff Bezos when he first started Amazon, they up like fuck right now. They up like fuck right now. They was laughing at Jeff Bezos in 1990, bro, on TV. His business wasn't profitable for 7 years, bro. 7+ years his business wasn't profitable. Now in 2025, he's bigger than life, bro. That boy is in Mar-a-Lago with Trump, Elon, all the richest niggas in the world. He's with them. He's in that circle. But 20 years ago, that nigga was getting laughed at. You feel me? So it's like, bro, you gotta stay in the game, stay in the fight, because, man, I tell my team all the time, bro, the people who stay down with me, I promise, we gonna eat. Once we up, we gonna go crazy. We gonna eat. I'll make sure everyone good, bro. I'm gonna make sure I take care of all my team, bro. And I stamp that because I value people and I value relationships. I love my team. They're great guys. I appreciate them. I appreciate all their hard work. I appreciate them putting up with me. Because this is new to me too. I've never done this before. I'm still learning just as much as them. So I appreciate their patience with me, because at the end of the day, we're all getting better. All right, so that's the video for today, man. If you like this, drop like, comment, subscribe. Comment the word end. If you watch this video all the way to the end, I got my new ebook, How to Start Your Brand. Teaches you how to go from 0 to 10K, then 10K to 100. You can get that in the description, and you can get that in the comments. And I also have my 5 free business principles for success. You can get that for 100% free. Hit the link in the description. That's on my website. We also got our one-on-one mentorships and our weekly Try with Millionaire calls. If you guys are interested in that, you can hit the link in the description, link in bio. I appreciate y'all, man. Go check out those digital books I got, those courses I got. They're bangers. I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a great day. Let's get it, man.